No, none of that though.
And I'm gonna say something controversial.
What in the Willy Wonka? Frozen character.
Really?
No.
Pants are just a little too tight on the badunkadunk. Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jody. Glad you're here. I'm so excited for this week because it's 50% off week. I'm telling you, when it's 50% off week, it's amazing, especially at the Salvation Army, because they do 2 tags that are 50% off, and then they do 1 tag that's $1. So you can get some amazing deals, and that's exactly what I did. Let's go thrifting, and then you know what we're gonna do. We'll do the haul after that. But first, let's go see what they have at the stores.
All right, as soon as I walk in the door, look at this beautiful suit. It'd be $10 today. It's Karen Scott. We're gonna have to see what this looks like. I'm pretty excited. Oh my gosh, what is this? Suit number 2. Look at this. I'm excited. This is a new with tags, Banana Republic. Little romper. That is really cute. $5 today. This store is small, but it's known for its dresses. So let's check out its dresses. I've had a lot of luck here. Look at this vintage dress. It's really cute. Very summery though. And I'm trying to transition into fall, but look at that. Oh, I love that detailing. Amazing 80s goodness right here. It's too small, but it's so cute. Oh, look at this 2-piecer here. You're cute. Am I crazy? Oh, darn, it's got a stain on it. Somebody had a really cool selection of robes. And these are all so cute. Look at this one. The zipper goes all the way down though, so you can't turn it into a 2-piece. This is so cute. Stop it. It's a 2-piece. I don't need anything like this, even if it's only $5, but it's so cute. Look at it. This is precious. I don't know if it'll fit. I have to get in front of a mirror. But wow, that's pretty. 2-piece. And it'd be $3.50. Really like the neutral tone on this, and it's comfy. It's not too thick. This is a pink tag, and I just learned that pink tags are 99 cents. Casper suit jacket. This is a Liz Claiborne jacket. Here's the robe to that pretty dress. I feel like it's just a little too snug. I'm not sure how I feel about the print. I feel like in theory this is fun, but this would be a $10 2-piece suit. It's on sale, 50% off, new with tags. However, it does need to be altered as well. How much does it cost to get something altered? Because this is $7.50. It's a 2-piece suit.
Okay, we're headed into store number 2, and I have my husband and my daughter with me. So let's have some fun.
This is kind of pretty. I don't know if it's worth $5. This is a new rack. The lighting's not that good in this corner, but it'll do. I think this is kind of cute. It's kind of see-through, but it looks like it's a lot of fun. So I don't mind the shortness of this jacket, but I don't know. The shoulders feel like they're kind of big to me. Hey girl. I like this, but okay, I'm definitely feeling this coat jacket. Wow. Love the colors, definitely colors of the season. $4. I can never deny a coat. All right, we've made it into store number 3. I think we're hitting the end of our thrift day because the other 2 are not as into it as I am. So we're gonna skim through the store really quickly and see what we can find. Is it too busy?
I'm a little distracted between the flannel and the thing you got going.
Don't look at this.
Okay.
These are vintage Gitano with the tags. Dead stock. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, girl.
Oh.
What in the Willy Wonka? You look like Rachel Green. Friends.
Friends?
That's a good thing. No, none of that though.
That's kind of pretty, actually, the color.
Yeah, I like the color. You're styling.
What does it look like?
Quite frankly, Frozen character.
Really?
No. Russian doll.
I like it. The shoulder pads are pretty strong on this jacket, even though it is a two-piece suit. I just don't know how I feel about it. I know that double-breasted jackets are really in right now, but I'm not sure that I like this style of one. Okay, I'm loving this. I know it's all black, but whew, yes.
Some amazing stuff there. I had to pick through 3 different stores and just pick the best of the best. And I did get some great items. Before we go to the haul, I want to remind you to subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 followers. I'm so excited. Once we get there, remember, we're going to do a big giveaway. So it's a big celebration for everybody. So share this with 2 of your friends and tell them, sign up now, because she's our girl. All right, now it's time for the haul. You all know how addicted I am to coats. I cannot deny a coat. This is a coat, a quilted coat from Steve & Barry's. It's got the snaps right here. And what I love so much about it is it's just the neutral tone. It's also picking up on the quilted trend that's out there, but this is a staple that is timeless. This is a vintage jacket, and yet it looks like it's very modern. Love it. Comes down to mid-thigh. This is something that you can pair with a lot of clothes, and I'm just so excited to add it into my wardrobe. This is a navy blue wool coat by Ralph Lauren. I love it. It definitely is picking up on some of the lint. So you can see right here, you need to keep a lint roller nearby. But you know, I can never deny a wool coat, and this one goes to the knee. I think, I already have like a full length navy coat, so this is just kind of mixing up my coat selection, but I do love it. It's for sure warm. I'm nice and toasty in this thing, and I just put it on. Beautiful though. This is called the Totes coat, and this knee-length trench coat is definitely very lightweight. You can roll it up and put it in your purse. That's how, you know, small it is and lightweight it is. But it's great for kind of keeping the wind off of you. And yet it's so sunny and bright. It makes me so cheerful wearing it. But I do really love it. It's kind of cute and just something you can throw in your bag and say, all right, let's go. See, look, it even has its tote right here in the pocket. This bomber style coat has me so excited. You know I'm an 80s baby, so this called my name as soon as I saw it. I saw it across the room, and yes, this was like going to be mine for sure. But this is like, you know, kind of like business in the front and party in the back. This Venezi jeans fleece is so soft, and it's almost like it's brand new. I don't think anybody wore this. It's just in such great condition. But this is Jody circa 1990 when Nirvana was running big. You know, Nirvana, Smells Like Teen Spirit. Everybody was wearing their grunge look. But Jody was wearing the grunge look like it was then. It was like, you know, with a grungy looking type of top and then the leggings. This is kind of like an elevated version of it. I really do love it. And it's warm. Yeah, it's kind of lightweight, so it can be multi-purpose. I'm definitely going to be wearing this fall and into the winter. Very cute. I'm having a love affair with houndstooth lately. I really love this skirt. It's just a stretchy skirt. You know, it has no tag in it right now. I wish I knew exactly who made it, but I just love the stretchiness of it. And if you notice, the houndstooth actually has a design, which I can't see with the naked eye, but you can see it on camera. Here's another example of what I mean about the houndstooth look. Okay, this suit is by Ashley Brooke, and I do love it. I think that it needs to be a little tailored around the waist, so I get a little bit more definition in here. And I'm gonna say something controversial. I don't love pockets in dresses or skirts. And here's why. It gives this poofiness here. Tell me, am I only out there alone, the only one in the world, not enjoying the fact that some skirts and dresses have pockets? I feel like it just does this. So I might get the pockets sewn down. I don't know. What should I do? Ooh, this Casper suit jacket. It's neutral, but it's not. You know what I'm talking about? You know me, love the one button enclosure. I feel like it does a really good thing for my waist, and it also kind of brings the attention up to my neck. Wow. I love this even more. I loved it in the store, and I love it even more now. What do you think? Wow, isn't this beautiful? This is by Silk Club Collection. It is 100% silk, but the flowers feel velvety. Oh my goodness, I just love the color combination. That blue that's really hot this season with the light kind of minty green. Oh, just love this top. It is see-through, so you gotta wear a little camisole underneath it. But my goodness, look how pretty it is. It just really has a beautiful reflection with the light. This beautiful top is by White Stag, and I love the fall vibes that are going on here and the flowers mixed in with it. And look at this detailing on the bottom of the top. So yes, you can tuck it in, but I really like the detailing because it's also brought out on the wrists of the top. But this is a really cute top, and it's by White Stag and perfect for the transition when it's still a little bit warm out, but you're trying to look like fall because it's a kind of a see-through top or a little camisole underneath it. So you look like fall, but you're feeling a little bit cooler. This blouse is by Jacqueline Smith, and it's another one that kind of leans towards the autumn feel. And I really love the wrists on this top, just a little dainty accent to them. I would probably wear this tucked in because it does get a little too tight around the waist. So the top is definitely, just my size. It's not oversized, but I would wear it tucked in, maybe even with a black skirt, or just pull out one of the colors in this top. But it's so pretty, right? Okay, this was a wild card, and I'm glad that I bought it. It's a two-piece sweater suit by Yvonne Originals Beverly Hills. And I wasn't sure if it was going to fit, but I just figured, well, what the heck? It wasn't very expensive. I believe I got this for $1 because I believe it was a pink tag, if I'm not mistaken. If not, even if it was just 50% off, it's probably only a couple of dollars. I think it's really cute. I would probably wear it with a jacket because it looks as if the top's a little see-through, but I do love the little kind of Aztec design. I don't know if it's Aztec, but just the turquoise and the red design accenting the top. And the sweater pants are really comfy. They actually do go all the way down to my ankle, which is a surprise. They're kind of bell bottom, but they're very cute, very comfy. And you know what? When you go to the thrift, take a chance, especially when it's 50% off or even just $1. And here's an example where a chance kind of didn't pay off. So the top did. The top is great, but the pants are too tight. And this little two-piece set was brand new with tags by Halston. But I do love the top so much that I would wear it without the pants, but it makes me disappointed because I was so excited to have a two-piece jammy set, but pants are just a little too tight on the badunkadunk. Okay, maybe nobody would know that the pants were too tight if I had this Vanity Fair robe on top. Love the sweet little detailing around the neck right there, but it's so cute and it's so soft and silky. But you still can't sit down in these pants, so I don't recommend me wearing them. I'm not gonna wear them. But yeah, so cute. I could wear this with the Halston top and maybe some other jammy bottoms or sweater bottoms. And this little precious thing right here. What a cute little jammy dress. Goes almost all the way down to the ankles, right above the ankles. It's from British Hong Kong. It doesn't say who it's by. So cute. I popped off one of the buttons when I was trying to put it on. But I bought this so I could do a little thrift flip, but then now that I have it on, I kind of love it like this. I don't know. Every time I buy something to do a little thrift flip, I wanted to do a cute little two-piece set with this. Every time I do that, I then want to keep it like the original. But this is so cute and it's comfy. We're getting into those days where we need that comfy stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I have to think about it. I did get a few accessories. This is a little mini backpack by Art Class. It's really cute, and I just thought we could pull out some of the colors and rock it. You know, I like to carry smaller bags, so I'm all about the small backpack. And as you can see, I'm definitely about it because I got this one. This one's a little bit bigger, but this is a Tommy Hilfiger one. I loved the neutral tone on it, and I thought that it would go with a lot of things, especially for the fall when I'm going to be wearing all the browns. Whew. Wow, I can't believe I got such great items for such great prices. Let me tell you, thrifting is so much fun and I love looking for the gems. So tell me, what did you think? Did I find something that you liked? Did I leave something behind that you thought I should have gotten? There's always something that I feel like I should have picked up. But you know, at the end of the day, I got to kind of break it down to the very good items and take them in here because, you know, I thrift weekly, sometimes more than weekly. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. We're so close to 1,000 followers. I thought we were going to do it this week. Maybe it's next week. Who knows? It's like waiting for a baby to come. It's just like, you know, it's going to happen. It's going to be a gift no matter what. It's just a matter of when. So that's what we're doing right now. We are looking to get to our 1,000 follower, and then we're going to do a giveaway. So don't forget to like and subscribe right now because we are having so much fun and I want you to be here for everything. Thank you so much for tuning in, beautiful. I love you so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.